Ferrari shares pulling back despite reporting better than expected results and also raising its guidance. Pras Subramanian has been following that story for us. And Pras, we're still looking at a drop of just about 1% despite what looks like pretty robust demand for its vehicles.
Hey, Sean, yeah, the Ferrari just beat on earnings and boosted guidance, but it's not far enough for investors here. They adjusted they boosted their adjusted EBITDA on revenue, sales up 32% from a year ago there. So a good quarter for them, good guidance boost, but some analysts like Dan Roska at Bernstein saying the guidance boost wasn't enough. The investors wanted more. After all, this stock was up 46% year to date. So a lot of gains or maybe some money taken off the table. But Ferrari for itself, again, like last quarter, this quarter, they had more personalizations, more custom orders. That's great for profit margins. And you have new vehicles like the Purosangue SUV and the Daytona SP3 supercar that are beginning deliveries next in this quarter. So that's all good news for Ferrari, potentially a surprise there in Q3 as well.
Pras, we also learned a little bit more just about the cost here. Ferrari adjusted its cost for Formula One, its F1 team. What do we know there in terms of what they're expecting from their team this year?
Yeah, so unlike other automakers, Ferrari actually makes money from their F1 team, I believe it or not. They operate that as part of their business. And they said that adjusted cost from the F1 racing team means that the company will see lower costs there due to a revised Formula One in-season ranking assumption. So what this means is that they think the team will do better. And then the better you do, the more money you get from the prize pool. But here's the thing, though. The team right now is ranked fourth in standings, well below the second place where it was before last year. And right now, Mercedes is pretty kind of lodged in there at number 2 level, pretty closely. So it's kind of hard to see how Ferrari can actually do that. And analysts were questioning that. But last weekend, Charles Leclerc, F1 fans know the Ferrari race car driver, he got a podium finish last week at Belgium. So he's coming into form there, but. As Ferrari fans know, strategy isn't the best kind of thing that they do there. A lot of fans have been crying, "Mamma mia," for some time now. So we'll see.